Welcome to Review Rumble. The best quick dry top coat is probably one of the most essential products in any nail enthusiast's collection, offering a glossy, protective finish that dries in a fraction of the time compared to traditional top coats, ensuring your manicure stays pristine and chip-free for longer periods, making it an indispensable tool for achieving salon-quality nails at home with speed and efficiency. Number 5. MODELONES Gel Top Coat. Discover the upgraded 2026 formula from MODELONES. This super shiny top coat is designed for a flawless, long-lasting finish. Achieve a brilliant, mirror-like shine that endures. It's the perfect complement to your gel manicure, ensuring durability and gloss. Enjoy the convenience of a soak-off formula. Removal is simple and gentle, making touch-ups and changes effortless. Our acid-free, no-wipe formula protects your natural nails. It provides a clean, smooth surface without any sticky residue. This versatile set acts as both a base and top coat. It's the essential duo for creating professional quality gel nails at home. Each bottle contains 15 milliliters of high-performance gel polish. Get salon-worthy results with this generous and reliable product. What we like? This one offers an incredibly shiny finish that lasts. Its acid-free and no-wipe formula makes it gentle and easy to use. If you're looking for a high-gloss look without the hassle of wiping, this is a great choice. What people say. This top coat dries very quickly, preventing smudges and saving time. It provides a high-gloss finish that makes nails look professionally done. The formula is chip-resistant, extending the wear of nail polish significantly. Number 4. Makartt Gel Top Coat. Discover the secret to a flawless manicure with Makartt Gel Top Coat. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss shine that lasts. Our innovative formula is completely no-wipe, saving you time and effort. Enjoy a perfect finish without any sticky residue. Experience long-lasting wear that resists chipping and fading. Your nails will look freshly done for weeks. Get that professional salon look right in the comfort of your home. It's perfect for creating beautiful nail art designs. Simply apply and cure under a UV lamp for a durable, beautiful finish. It's the ideal beauty essential for any season. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This top coat is a wonderful choice for any beauty enthusiast, especially for spring. What we like? Get that professional salon look with this high-gloss, long-lasting top coat. It's designed for durability and a beautiful shine. If you desire a professional finish at home and want your manicure to last, this is the one for you. What people say. The texture goes on smoothly, no clumping. It works very well, great coverage for nails and durability, very easy to apply. Self-leveling, no yellowing, doesn't chip easily, and stain-resistant for my hairdresser clients. This nail gel gives a high gloss and salon-style finish that many users would love. It's a no-wipe formula cures smoothly with a long-lasting shiny top layer that protects the color and also chip-resistant. Number 3. ELLA+MILA Fast Dry Top Coat. Discover the secret to a perfect manicure with the ELLA+MILA Fast Dry Top Coat. Achieve a salon-quality finish in minutes. This top coat dries incredibly fast, saving you time without compromising on a brilliant, high-shine finish. It's designed for efficiency and beauty. Enjoy your beautiful nails for longer. Its durable formula helps prevent chips and wear, keeping your polish looking fresh. It forms a clear, protective layer over your nail polish. This shields your manicure from everyday damage, ensuring it stays flawless. Applying it is a breeze. Just one coat adds incredible shine and protection, making your nail routine simpler and more effective. Elevate your nail game with this essential top coat. Experience the difference of a quick-drying, long-lasting, and high-shine finish. What we like? Tired of waiting for your nails to dry? This option dries incredibly fast, giving you a high-shine finish. It also provides a protective layer to prevent chips. If you're always on the go and need your nails done quickly, this is your perfect match. What people say. It dries the polish quickly, extends the duration of the manicure before chipping, and it maintains a high gloss. It's fast drying, has a clean, healthy formula, is very shiny, and long-lasting. The top coat keeps its shine for over a week, and then I just touch it up with another coat. Number 2. Makartt Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Kit. Discover the ultimate duo for your nails. This kit includes a high-shine top coat and a protective base coat, perfect for any manicure. Achieve a flawless, glossy finish that lasts. Our formula is designed to resist stains and keep your nails looking impeccable. Enjoy a convenient no-wipe top coat. It provides a beautiful shine without any sticky residue, simplifying your nail routine. Whether you're working with acrylics, dip powder, or gel polish, this kit is your go-to solution. It's perfect for both salon and at-home use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes a wonderful present for any beauty enthusiast, ideal for the spring season. Elevate your nail game with professional quality products. Get salon-worthy results from the comfort of your own home. What we like? This kit includes both a top and base coat, offering a glossy, no-wipe finish that's also stain-resistant. It's perfect for creating a clean, durable manicure. If you want a complete system that prevents staining and maintains a beautiful shine, consider this duo. What people say. The top coat is super glossy and shiny. Super shiny, little to no smell. The shine lasts even when having contact with chemicals. Thick but think at the same time. The minimalism matte pink design. Super classy and forever timeless, it will always work. Number 1. CANNI 18 ml No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Discover the ultimate finish for your nails with our revolutionary gel top coat. It provides a flawless, high-gloss shine that lasts. Tired of chips and scratches? This formula offers superior protection, keeping your manicure looking pristine for longer. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like finish that catches the light. It enhances the color of your polish with a vibrant sheen. Enjoy a manicure that stays perfect day after day. Its durable formula ensures your nails look freshly done without fading or peeling. Experience a smooth and effortless application process. It cures beautifully under an LED lamp for a professional salon look at home. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this clear top coat is your essential tool. It's perfect for sealing in any nail art design. What we like? Achieve a high-gloss, long-lasting manicure that stands up to daily wear. Its scratch-resistant formula ensures your nails look flawless for longer. If you need a top coat that can handle everyday activities without losing its shine or getting scratched, this is an excellent option. What people say. It lasts for about a month. My nails stay shiny and I clean, do hair and type. It leaves a brilliant long-lasting shine. Dries super quick with a UV light and looks so glossy and beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.